Hi, this is Dan Huck here for Bloom 360, and you and I together are going to hang out for the next little while. What we're going to be looking at is how to upload a product into your WordPress website equipped with WooCommerce. Alright, so it's not all that difficult. We're only going to go through a couple of steps, and by the end of it you're going to find it just as easy as I do. Alright, so we start out here at our front page. Obviously this website doesn't look like yours exactly, but you get the idea. Alright, so we go up here to our URL up at the top of the browser, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going to what's called the dashboard, otherwise known as the back end of the website. To do that in a WordPress website, it's very easy. All we do is first type a slash, and then it's WP for WordPress, then it's dash, and then it's admin. Oops. And then we click enter. And normally you would be confronted after that with a user ID and password prompt, but in my case I'm already logged in, so we haven't seen it. Alright, so here we are in the dashboard. Again, there's a lot of menu options here that you shouldn't be disturbed by. There's only one that you really want right now, and that's products. We'll just click on that. And what it's going to do is it's going to give us a list of the products that are currently in the system. You can see that this website's equipped with quite a few. I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll actually have a look at the website and the shop before we get into it, and we'll talk about the different parts of a product, and hopefully that'll help you understand what it is that we're going to be setting up, in case you're a little bit unsure. We won't go for the shorts, we'll go for the shirt with the tie. That's a little bit more sophisticated, isn't it? Alright, so here we are, boys formal top with bow tie. We've got a selection box here, and we've got an add to cart, we've got a description here. Very importantly, we've got a price. In this case the item is on sale, and the product has a name. Alright, so having that up our sleeve, we'll head over back to the back end, and we'll click this button here that says add product. And what this is going to do is it's going to open up a screen that will show us an empty product. We'll fill in the fields, we'll click publish, and then we'll have another product in the system. Alright, so the first field is product name, and you'll find the cursor there waiting for you when you start this. We'll give it a new name, so our new product. Okay, very good, halfway there. Alright, so we're going to be needing a description. So this box here is the long description, and in our product here it corresponds with this little bit of information here. So we'll put some text in, so text, and we'll copy that and we'll make lots of it because it's a long description. Alright, we'll leave it at that. And okay, so what we're going to do next is we're going to scroll down a little bit. And in this instance we're going to be leaving it as a simple product, which means that when the customer purchases the product there's no options. It's not a t-shirt that comes in different colors or sizes or anything. In this case there's one product. Alright, we'll leave it like that. SKU is a fancy word for product ID, so we'll give it one of those. So in this case it's prod-001, and our price, in this case we'll call it $99.50, and we won't give it a sale price, we'll just keep it nice and simple for this instance. Alright, so that's all looking pretty good. What we will be doing now is we're giving the product an image, and as you can see this product does have an image. When I hover over it, it zooms in, so on and so forth. It's very, very important that you give your products an image, otherwise how are the customers going to buy them? And then as well as that, the website's going to look a little bit funny as well. The website does rely heavily on your products all having images. So we click the add product image button, and the first thing that we see is the images that are all currently uploaded into the website. Now we could just pick one of those easily enough and we could use that would be okay. What we might do though is we might upload a new image, which is probably what you're going to be doing when you work on your own website. So all I do is I click upload files, and then I'm shown this new screen. I click select files, and then I navigate to where it is that I've got my images. So in this case it's this directory, and I will sell a house. Okay. So we select the file and then it uploads, and you've got your little progress bar here, and we just wait for that to finish, and then we click set product image to set it into the product. Oops, wasn't what I ordered. Okay, Still want that. Okay, so we're almost home free. What we'll do is we'll give the product a short description, and the short description is the little bit of text that lives up here near the price. So we'll do that, and we'll say this is a short description, and you'll find that that's very, very handy in lots of instances. Okay, and the one last thing that we might do before we wrap this up and click publish is we will give the product a gallery, and what that does is it gives us not just one image, but then a smaller gallery of images underneath the main image. So we'll do that as well, and we've got our house here, you can already see that, and so we'll just click some different images. The way we do that is we hold down the control button and we click for each one we want, and we click again to get rid of. And we'll take that one as well. Okay, and then we click this button down here that says add to gallery, and you can see now that we've in our product gallery we've got 4 images there. Alright, so we're basically finished. Depending on your website setup, you'll select a category that's applicable to whatever product you're entering, but for us right now we don't need to do that, and we'll just click publish, and in a very, very short amount of time we will have a new product up on our website. Okay, so it's finished. I told you it was a short amount of time. Okay, so all I'm going to do now is, just because I'm being tricky, I'm just going to right click on view product, and I'm going to make it open up in a new tab. And now we're going to get to look at all our hard work. Alright, so you can see what we've got now. Okay, so we've got the title of the product, which is our new product. Remember the price that we set, which was $99.50. The short description is what we wrote at the bottom of the screen. I'll just show you that one more time. So right down here at the bottom of the screen, that's what we wrote there, and that went onto the page. And you also remember that we created the gallery, so the user can click through these images and they can see different views of the product. In that case, it's just a little bit of a GIF. And of course, we've got our nice long product description down here at the bottom. So you can see exactly how easy it is to upload a product into WooCommerce. You can see exactly how easy it is to upload images also, numerous images if you want. To delete the product, it's also as simple as that. All we do is we go into the product. This is one way of doing it. There's a few ways. We go into the product and we click this button here that's over on the right hand side, move to trash. And as soon as I click that, it's going to get its act together and trash that product. So if I come back out to this website now and I try and refresh this product, it's going to say no can do, at least if everything's working correctly. See? Sorry, no posts matched your criteria, which means we just trashed it. Anyway, so that's creating a product in and out, uploading images in and out. Hopefully that was helpful, and if you have any questions, just hit us up at Bloom360. We're happy to help. Talk to you later. Bye bye.